Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. I'm gonna show you how to set up the Mi Share option in your Xiaomi Poco X6 Pro. So to this operation, go to settings, then scroll down and go to the more connectivity option. And there is an option Mi Share, and as you see, this is the Xiaomi Share option. And you can set up it by enable it, I agree, allow. In this case, we have a Xiaomi Share is enabled. As you see, the other person can tap the toggle in the notification shade. Select the device share and you share whatever you want. There is the device names of your phone, so you can change if you wish. And there is a support device option and privacy about this Xiaomi Share. And that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave a like, leave a comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!